a 2008 Honda Civic, and today I'm going to show you a jump start. So first you open the hood, and then here on the driver's side you see battery with your positive terminal and your negative. And you can double check on the side of the battery as well. There'll be a negative sign and a positive. Go from here, then make sure there's no corrosion that you need to clean off with a good rag or a brush. Make sure these are nice and tight. Once that's said, you can attach your jump box or your jumper cables straight to the metal. So you have your metal clamp going here for your positive, and then your metal clamp for your negative onto the negative. If you run into another vehicle, make sure the other vehicle's turned on and that your positive leads directly to the other positive and your negative leads directly to the other negative. You don't want to crisscross them by mistake, because even a few seconds of that can cause electrical issues, like burnt fuses, things like that, mess up your computer. But once you've had these connected for, say, a few minutes, the other vehicle running, a good connection, hopefully that's enough to get you powered. If you're still having issues with that after trying that for a while, you might need to replace your battery, which fortunately this is pretty easily accessible, which you can do by just loosening these to remove this little support bar, loosen these up so you can loosen these terminals. Once this is free, you'll just lift the old battery out, stick the new battery in, and then tighten everything up again, and you should be good to go. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.